In this video, we're going to show you the most ingenious factory-level heavy machinery that you've never seen before. You probably have seen many recent clips on this amazing fastest slicing machine that literally takes seconds to slice the whole bar of sausage or cheese. No matter how fast you can coat all your items with breadcrumbs, you can never beat its level. Just let it slice whatever baked items you have on your hand. It's super satisfying to watch this machine slicing the baked goods in exact equal ratios. To not feel overwhelmed, it's just cheese. Well, you can say that for me, it's like a childhood dream came true. I always wanted to witness this much cheese in my life, as the restaurant-style pizza isn't enough for me. This ingenious device is a game-changer in the world of cheese, effortlessly transforming blocks of cheese into perfectly sliced portions with precision and consistency. These vibrant veggies are packed with essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Firstly, they're an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes collagen production for healthy skin. The Autumn Bread Chopper machine offers versatility, allowing users to adjust slice thickness to suit their preferences or specific recipes. They're more than just a convenient pantry staple. These handy cartons offer several advantages over traditional canned varieties. They're free from harmful chemicals like BPA commonly found in metal cans, ensuring food safety. Oil frying potato chips involves submerging them in hot oil, which can lead to the formation of harmful compounds like acrylamide and trans fats when cooked at high temperatures. There's something deeply satisfying about witnessing the intricate dance of machinery and automation, as each item is neatly sorted, sealed, and labeled before making its way to the final destination. Suppose a colorful array of nutrient-packed ingredients like leafy greens, crunchy vegetables, protein-rich beans, and wholesome grains, all tossed together in a tantalizing manner. Have you ever tried any vegetables or meat rolls? Must tell me if you find them delicious. Whether it's beef, chicken, pork, or even lamb, minced meat is a staple ingredient that can be used in countless dishes. Chicken's a fantastic source of lean protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. Plus, it's rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, which supports brain function, and niacin, which promotes heart health. Hey, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button so we will know how many people are interested in watching our upcoming videos. Pamphlets are like miniature promotions, delivering important messages and information in a compact and visually appealing format. Tender chunks of beef in a comforting stew, succulent chicken chunks grilled to perfection on skewers, or juicy pork chunks simmered in a flavorful curry. From watching products slowly fit into boxes to witnessing the precise folding and sealing techniques, beyond the convenience of pre-cut portions, sliced foods offer a range of advantages. The next time you pick up a bottle of your favorite beverage or condiment, remember the behind-the-scenes magic of label attachment, ensuring each product is ready for market with professional flair. Whether you prefer the indulgent richness of caramel-filled treats or the tangy sweetness of raspberry-filled delights, there's no shortage of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. These machines are like reliable assistants, taking on repetitive tasks and freeing up valuable time for workers to focus on more complex or creative aspects of their jobs. With specialized machinery, cherries are pitted with precision, ensuring uniformity and consistency in each fruit. Motivate us to create more satisfying videos like these. To the drill and smash the like button. These juicy delights aren't just bursting with vibrant flavor. They're also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants that support overall health. They're loaded with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Beyond the visual appeal, frying enhances flavors and textures, creating that irresistible combination of crispy exterior and tender interior. Boneless chicken cuts save time and effort in meal preparation, as they're ready to cook without the need for deboning. This convenience makes them ideal for quick and easy weeknight dinners or meal prepping ahead of time. It's a crucial step in ensuring top-notch cleaning performance. Their ability to handle a wide range of viscosities and textures makes them indispensable tools for food manufacturers. That's a wrap today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.